Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn an important topics. What is projection? A projection is defined as an image or a drawing of an object on a plane. Object may be a machine parts, a electronics parts, a watch parts, or a building or a bridges. Projection is defined as image or a drawing of an object on a plane. Okay? Again, any kind of representation of an object on a paper, representation of an object on a paper, skin or similar surface by drawing or photography by camera is called projection of that object. Presentation of an object on paper mean 2D sheet, 2D paper, on paper, skin or similar surface. That means in 2D drawing, 2D surface XY plane, by drawing we can draw the object, or photography is called projection of that object. Okay. Now, what is the system of projection? What is the system of projection? To understand the concept of projection, look at an object kept in front of an light source. The light ray from the bulb or light source strike the object and create its shadow on the skin. The image thus obtained, this image that obtained represent a view of the object. Okay. Now, the light source is replaced by a person's. This is the eye observer looking towards the object. This ray are called projector. This is called object. This plane is called plane of projection, this is called view. First time, this is the light source, a bulb, this is the object, ray from light source, and this creates an image on the screen. Now this light source bulb, this bulb or light source is replaced by eye or observer. This is eye of the observer. This is called projector. This is called projector. Plane of projection. This is plane of projection. This is the view. This is the object. Here, if the lines are drawn from the various points on the contour of an object to meet a plane, and figure form by joining this point in correct sequence is called projection of object, projection of that object. Okay. If lines are drawn from various points on the contour of an object, contour of an object means outer surface of an object, borderline of an object, to meet a plane, okay, and figure form by joining in correct sequence is called the projection of the object. Okay. They are drawn from outer surface of the object. There are many points, many ray. This is called projector. This ray, and various ray from the outside of the object and meet that plane. After meeting, joining this point, and so many points in correct sequence is called the projection of the object. This figure is called projection of the object, and this plane is called plane of projection, and this ray is called projector. Okay. It is clear, my student? Thank you.
ধরতে হবে না, ওরা বেঁধে দেবে। হাতটা খুলে আসবি।
How much?